Look what came in the mail. Field line. They said I wasn't gonna get this, but here we are. The next day after I post my video. Yeah. Welcome back to What She's Doing. Man, it's been a crazy wet week. Washington just got pummeled with a giant atmospheric river. So now I gotta go check the basement and see if it's leaking. One worry off my mind is knowing the basement is dry. We got some super thick fog rolling in right now. You can't even really see anything. It's supposed to have like 4 more hours of light left. It's thick, like the air. I've been trying to get out here and work on the Gremlin. When it rains, it gets warmer here, so try to get as much as I can get done while I can. Before I forget, I need to go around and tighten all the wheels. It's full on raining now. That's good enough for now. I don't know how you guys are with your old rust buckets, but I don't like to get them wet. So when it's raining, that puts a real damper on my project. Boo. So, I don't want to waste my brand new fuel filter yet. So I'm just going to sacrifice one of these Volkswagen ones. Probably gonna find a short socket. not a fan of these clamps. This is only temporary. It's the next day after a really big storm, and the house is dry, but I came out to check on the garage. Not so lucky. Seems like the ceiling is gonna leak. Just happens to be dripping right down here. Damn. I got a water breach in my garage. Well, I gotta work on that now, so I'm on my way to go get a bigger tarp so that the garage will be protected and I don't have to worry about it for a while. Man. The holidays too, man. At my other job, it's been really busy. I can't work in a cold, wet garage. So with the rain and all that, I ended up just doing the gutters just to be safe. And I can't have any flooding going on in the main house. At least the garage is... that stuff can get wet, but it's very unfortunate. The roof on this garage is only 7 years old. This should not be leaking. What the hell? Well, I'm on the roof. I'm putting on a tarp. 2 minutes ago, it was snowing and then it melted. I missed it. Winter is upon us. All I know is we got like 3 inches of rain in like an hour. It was insane. It was pouring, and it's been pouring for like 3 days straight. I really ran out of time this week. It's really unfortunate. I was hoping to get something done or at least start it up. What a bummer. I'll have to gear my projects towards something different for a little bit, but I'll get back on the Gremlin and I'll make it right. It'll be worth the wait, and it'll feel a lot better. Thanks so much for coming back this week to check it out. I'm gonna be changing my video day to probably Friday. It kind of works better with my schedule, and yeah, I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna be doing next week, but I'm sure it'll come to me because that's what it's all about. I'll catch you next time on What She's Doing. What are you doing?